I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Turn the vehicle to accessory or run mode so the modem is active, because pairing needs the car's radio and can bridge a wake. Open the Fermata Auto app and grant Bluetooth and location access. Without both, discovery fails. Move the phone within 1 meter of the vehicle modem, not behind metal, so the radio handshake completes reliably. Tap Discover. The app will show the vehicle ID. Once you see it, press Pair and watch the status indicator. Once paired, you perform authentication. Enter the 6-digit PIN shown on the car display into the app. This confirms you control the vehicle and prevents ghost pairings. Next, select Network Mode, local Bluetooth for low latency controls, or Cloud Mode for remote access. Make sure you understand cellular data charges if using cloud. Then enable the features you need, like diagnostics, remote start, or over-the-air updates, because these grant permissions for deeper control. You finish by validating telemetry. Check GPS lock, VIN, and firmware version in the app to confirm the right vehicle is registered. If commands are slow or fail, reboot the app and the car modem. Often that clears cached sessions. Make sure to repair if disconnects persist. If firmware versions differ or OTA fails, apply the update. And if issues remain, capture the log ID from the app and contact support with the VIN. That log ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.